Today, take a look at the MMB wireless Android Auto adapter. So we got our manual. We have the adapter, and that is a nice tiny little thing. Nothing on the back, nothing on the sides. Basically just a USB plug and a tiny little dongle. We also have an adapter to go from USB-A to USB-C, so if your car uses USB-C ports, we'll still be able to use this dongle. So, let's plug this little guy in, and we can see we got a light on there. So in Bluetooth, I got SmartBox 3E, 2E. And there we go. It was literally that easy. We are now connected to Android Auto. I got my maps, I got my music, I can do all the fun stuff that you get with Android Auto.
Here's a summary.
Okay, so now I want to find out if I shut off my car. Yeah, pick that up right away. So yeah, that thing is pretty awesome. And the fact that it's that tiny little dongle, having that very small footprint, not having a cable running down from it, that just makes it a really nice tiny package. And if all you're doing is Android Auto, then that works just as well. So I'm happy with that. That thing is awesome.